is that bloke's going out that way. This is the site map. You can, if you want a better view of the site, you can download it from the Caravan Club website. Yeah, that's the easiest way of looking at it. This is a fairly new site. They've revamped it. Not new, but they've revamped it. They've put a new toilet block on there, and they've tidied up all the hard standings and sorted out the tarmac road and the arrows and such like. But this site, it's got a lot of dead ends, as you can see. You could have gone down that one, but that would be a dead end. So if you've got a motorhome, it's no problem. You can soon turn it round. But if you've got a caravan, it makes it really awkward, as you will see later on. There are plenty of grass pitches, but at the moment a lot of them were not in use because it was so wet. You have to keep looking at the map just to make sure where you are. We're going to take the right fork here. That is the new toilet block. This is where the motor vehicle waste point is. It's the new type that drive over grids. To get to this pitch, which is a non-awning pitch, you've got to really nearly drive down to the exit. I'm just going to turn right here, which is a dead end. tyres flat this side. Want some wind in it? Oh dear. We've come over to Sutton on Sea Caravan Club site for a couple of days. Say Libby's on convalescence. She's had an operation last Friday. She can't go out walking very much. So we've come over to this site, have a look at the Sutton on Sea. I've never been here before, and see if we can see the sea. But when you do come to this site, don't come in from this direction. That's from Alford. It's not suitable for really HGVs or caravans. As I came in, some caravan was coming out of this direction the wrong way as I was coming in on the wrong way. So check the details in the Caravan Club book and follow their instructions is best, which is going to Sutton on Sea itself, then coming to the site, and just have a look at this sunset tonight. It's one thing about Lincolnshire, you do get some lovely sunsets. Well, I'm leaving the site. I'm going to have a walk down into Sutton on Sea. It's supposed to be about a mile and a bit to the promenade. I'm leaving Linda, Chloe and Libby there because Libby can't manage the walk today at the moment because she's convalescing. So I'll go and see if I can find it. See you in a bit. I think I might have found it. It was only a short walk really, from bottom of Crabtree Road, turn left onto the A52. About a couple of 100 yards on the right hand side there is a lane called Sea Lane. I thought that must lead down to the sea, and yeah, I think I found it. And there it is. Yeah, this is the promenade. And it's taken me, let's have a look. Taking me about 15-20 minutes to get here, so that wasn't too bad at all. Yeah, and what we got down here, we got all the beach huts. It's called Sandilands Promenade. Right, see if we can get a bit closer onto the beach. Well, this is better than Southport. It's actually got some sand. Well, there's nobody sunbathing on the beach. Not surprised because the wind's a bit cold, but it goes for miles. Wish I had a telephoto lens. just a little bit far away. I actually managed to get to the sea. It was a long way out. Oh, these are nice beach huts. Ah, lovely. Look at this property. I don't know if anybody's living here or not, but I imagine in its day it was quite a mansion. It looks a little bit derelict, but it looks enormous. Wow. Right, nearly back at the campsite now. Just heard a cuckoo, first one this year. Yeah, at the campsite they do give you an instructions how to find the beach, which is very complicated. So I thought I'll take my own route. And that was so easy. Down Crabtree, turn left, 100 yards, turn right, bottom of that sea lane is the sea, surprisingly enough. Right, that was really good. I'm ready for a drink now. Right, back at the campsite. The sun's been shining most of the time. It's smashing. This is where we're pitched up this time. There's only 2 non-awning pitches and we're on one of them. Right, we're all ready for off now. It's Friday. We've got to go on Friday because that little one there, she's got to go to the vets again for a post-op check because she was, she's spayed, wasn't she?
Yeah, she was spayed last Friday.
Yes, yeah, she's spayed. I think she's alright. She's been no problem, but it's just been the problem stopping her jumping about because she's a bit active, isn't she? Yeah, so what do we think of Sutton-on-Sea?
Fine, I think it's good. It's nice. Would recommend it.
Yeah, I managed to see the sea, but Linda didn't. Never mind. We'll come back again, won't we?
Yeah, we'll come back.
Come back again sometime.
Yeah.
If you came without any supplies, it's a 1.5 mile walk to the nearest co-op. So make sure you get stocked up before you get here. Yeah, that's about it. We'll call and see our sister on the way back home at Boston, and back to our home. Right. If you like what you've seen, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.